Are you wondering how to sort by date in Smartsheet? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you step by step exactly what you need to do. So it all starts by opening up the sheet that you want to work in. Of course, you need to add all of your different columns and your data as well. And you're obviously going to need some date columns. So that's kind of a prerequisite for this working. So what we've done here in this example sheet is I've created a start date and an end date, and I've also made these date column types. So when you create a column, you can change the column properties, and I've just restricted these to date. So just bear that in mind. That's one thing I would recommend doing first and foremost. And you can see that when you kind of highlight over the cell, you can see this is a date type column. But if you want to sort on the date, let's say we want to sort on the start date, then all you need to do is right click on the column, scroll down to sort rows, left click, and then what you need to do is just decide whether you want to sort ascending or sort by descending. And a second thing you can do if you wanted to, you don't have to, is you can also sort by your start date and an end date. So you've got this kind of relationship between the two here. I'm actually not going to do that. I'm just going to do it on the start date, hit OK, and you'll see that the sheet jumped there, and all of these dates were sorted from the start to the end, or the nearest date to the furthest date out. And this is essentially putting all my tasks in order. And that's essentially all you need to do. So find your date column, right click, sort rows. So this time it'd be on the end date. Press OK, and it's going to update for you. So that's how to sort by date in Smartsheet. If this video was useful, please do hit the like button and do consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, you might even want to go over to my channel, because I've got a lot of videos on Smartsheet training. I've got over 40 at this moment in time that explores the tool, Smartsheet, and will train you on all the different pieces of functionality and help you use it more effectively. So with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.